Hello, I've come on today to share a small haul and the beginnings of my art journal. First of all, I have two dies that I got from eBay. So they're very similar, obviously they're square and a rectangle. They're the torn paper edges, but this one has the stitching on. So I have cut them out. I'm just using this blue background to make it easier to show you. So you get 13 altogether, which includes this tiny square. And they have got this torn edge to them, so they're quite pretty. And then the rectangles are more or less the same, but they have a stitched detail. So they are these ones here, and you also get the centre, looks like a banner, but you can see the stitched detail around the edges. The only thing I would say is this one I had to run through 3 times in total to get it to cut completely. I did get them off eBay, so I got the 2 for £18, so they weren't cheap, but they probably should have been over that each normally. So, but yeah, as long as I either put an extra shim or run it through more than once, that should be fine. And also got this tiny one from eBay. I was expecting it to be slightly bigger. I can't remember now if it had a size, but it looked bigger in the picture, but I'm really bad at looking at sizes of things. So we've got a little hedgehog, and we've got our autumn leaves, and there's a couple of acorns and 2 mushrooms as well. And I ran those through to cut, and then I had to run them through again to emboss them. A lot of my dies will actually go through and do both at the same time, but these ones didn't. You can see there was hardly any impression. You've got like the spots on this mushroom or toadstool. Yeah, you couldn't really see them at all, so I just had to run it through again with the embossing sheet, but they're quite cute, and obviously they're autumnal, so I love them. And they're a cool size for an ATC, which is what I'm making a lot of at the moment. So, and next one I got from Dragon's Papercraft in Rugby. I ordered this online, so I will leave a link to the website, but they do actually have a walk-in shop as well. It's actually my sister's local craft shop. She's very lucky, she's still got a local craft shop. So this is a Shabby Bay Basics vintage slide. So you can see that one there, and I have cut them out as well. So you get the one that looks like obviously a strip of film, and then you get this slide, and because obviously it opens up, you can put something inside there, and obviously you can use the centre as well. And I just love this. I've been after it for ages and I couldn't find it anywhere because it kept selling out everywhere. So I was really happy to be able to get a hold of that. I can't wait to vintage it up and do some bits and pieces with that one. And lastly, I have 3 that I bought off somebody on Facebook, and these are the Elizabeth Craft Designs Planner Essentials. I do have 2 of these, which I think I've shared before already. So you get the page, and then you get extra little bits and pieces. You get a few ideas of how to put it together. This one says love, and we've got the photo frame, which I think is very cool. This week and for the record, and obviously just some banners and bits and pieces. This one has got the sort of pocket slip on it, and I can't actually read what these ones say, so obviously are the wrong way around for me to read. And I can't see that it says on the back, but yeah, and you've got the tag ones in there as well, and obviously each of them come with a page. So, and then we have this one, which has got the film strip down the side and the musical notes, and it's quite cool, these rings here. So yeah, there's a new 3 of those to add to my collection, and I am taking part in the art journal challenge with Woolly Steph. So there's quite a few people taking part in it, and it's, well, let's say it's a challenge. It's just a group of us that will be sharing some journal pages, and there's no pressure to join in with everyone. And I think it is once every couple of weeks there'll be a prompt. I am yet to do the first prompt. Steph has shared what the prompt is. I think it's summer, but I haven't got around to doing it yet. I haven't got around to finishing my journal either, but I have got the cover for it. So yeah, I haven't got my pages yet. But this is just made out of it's the grey board on an envelope. You know when you get the brown envelopes and they have the hard back to them? So that's what I've used for that, which actually makes it quite solid. And Steph has a full tutorial on how to make this. So like I said, I'm only halfway through because I haven't added my pages. But her tutorial is really easy to follow, and I actually put this together quite quickly. I just haven't had time to do my pages. But that is something I'm hoping to do in the next couple of days. I will leave a link to Steph's channel as well, so you can check out her videos, and in particular about the art challenge if you want to join in. But for now, that is everything. Until next time, cheerio.